how to remove your Twitter from your profile on Udemy easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove it easy and quick. First open your browser and then go to Udemy, and once you're here click on your profile here in top corner, and then go to profile and scroll down until you find your Twitter here. Now just click on it and delete it, and that's it. Don't forget to click save, and as you see now your Twitter is removed from your profile. That's it, just go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.